honestly, I didn't do too bad. Like, I didn't do too bad, you know.
Psalm 86 verse 11. Teach me your way, Lord, that I may rely on your faithfulness. Give me an undivided heart, that I may fear your name.
Hello loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Valerie and today's video is going to be on this beautiful hair. So this unit that I have in is the Water Wave wig. It's a 13x6 18-inch lace front wig and it's from the brand Unice hair. The hair came in this beautiful light blue box and it has like a little bit of pink on it. I don't know if they've changed their colors because it's usually like a white, you usually get a white box and you know their little logo on it, but I really like this blue color. It's just very different and it's just very springy, you know, spring vibes. It's already March, so spring is almost here. So I definitely love the box that the hair came in and it was nicely packaged. In the box, I also got a pamphlet about the hair. It just gives you some hair care instructions and some little like coupons on the back, and you know, just letting you know where you can get the hair. And this is from their Amazon, like their Amazon site. So you can just search up Unice hair on Amazon, and if you have Amazon Prime, get that 2-day shipping. I also got a wig cap and some eyelashes in the box. So far, I did experience some shedding, but it wasn't too bad. I saved the shed hairs just to show you guys, so you know what I'm talking about. But like the first day I applied the wig and you know brushing through the actual wig, I got this much hair. Yeah, just this much hair, which isn't too much. It's a decent amount. And then from then on, every time like I brush the hair, I do get some hairs, like some strands coming out. I got this amount of shedding, and that's like pretty much what I get. You can't even see it, but it's not a lot of shedding. Yeah, I feel like it's a decent amount of shedding. I mean, I know we all don't want our hair to be shedding because that's just coins just falling out. We don't want our coins to be just falling out. How I keep up with this hair is that I just put a headband around my hairline just to kind of keep it, you know, intact, and then I just put on a bonnet for the rest of the hair. I put in a bun and I put on my bonnet, and it's been good so far. When I do wake up, I do have to refresh the curls with water, and also have to brush through it because it does that. So I hope you guys enjoy this part of the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video, and we're just gonna go on with the install portion. So the hair I'm using today is from Unice hair, and it's their Water Wave 13x6 frontal wig. So I'm really excited about this hair because Water Wave is one of my favorite curl patterns. This is the unit right out of the box, and I'm gonna install it just as it is. I usually tend to like bleach the hair before and you know wash it and all, but today I'm just gonna install it fresh out of the box and we're gonna see how it turns out. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. It's just really loose but still has like, you know, a curl, a little wave to it. This is a 13x6 lace wig, so it's definitely a deep part. I'm gonna be using the Got To Be gel and the freeze spray for this install. Before I cut off the lace in the front, I'm gonna try it on just to have an idea. Ooh, oh wow, it actually fits snug. Okay, wow, it fits like really well. Fits like a glove. I'm gonna put some foundation right under the lace so it looks a little bit more like scalp like. I'm just using my everyday foundation, and then I'll use some powder to set the foundation in place since it's a liquid foundation. So I have my foundation. Go ahead and dab it in. This is what the hair looks like after applying the foundation. As you can see, the lace here is lighter, but with the foundation it looks more like my skin tone. I went ahead and did this side, so I'm gonna finish doing this side, and it was a bit hard to do, so I just had to like do it off camera and make sure I don't mess up. But yeah. thank y'all for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. Stay beautiful, stay blessed.